Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language setting in T3 Arena on your mobile device. If you want to switch your language in T3 Arena to play more comfortably, then first of all launch the T3 Arena game on your device and wait for the main menu to load. Once you're in the home page, look for the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and tap on it. And then click on Options from the pop-up. Inside Options, click on Account on the left-hand side and then tap on the Change button right next to Language. You will then come across different language settings. Tap on the language option you want to switch to from the list and click on Apply. Once you tap on Apply, you will be able to change your T3 Arena's language setting immediately on the app. You can repeat this step for every other language change you want to make for your account, and that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.